time prepositions. In, on, at. In we use for months, years, seasons, and centuries. On we use for days and dates. At we use for the time of day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in winter, in spring, in summer, in autumn, in 2023, in 1998, in the 1990s, on Monday, on Friday, on Sunday, on my birthday, on a weekday, on the weekend, on a holiday, on May 1st, on 10th July, on Christmas Day, at 10 o'clock, at 6:30 p.m., at 7 a.m., at midday, at midnight, at night, at noon, at breakfast, at lunchtime, at bedtime, at the same time, at sunrise, at sunset, at the beginning, at the end, at the moment, at the present, at Christmas, at the weekend.